Okay, here's a simple video to help you to locate the Factal shared library where we have uploaded all the files. So go to your Outlook email as you would, and then you'll see this dots at the corner. So click on OneDrive, wait for it to open, and once it opens up, um, takes a little bit of a time, you will see these shared libraries as you can see on my screen. And if you click on Factal Documents, you will see this folder Alana Colors. So all you have to do is click on that and then you see the different files. Okay, so the first one is for an adjunct. Their names are there, so you should be able to see it. 1, 2, these 3 are from Dot French. Then here you have Amy Lewis's documents, and these are all from adjunct, and this is from another adjunct. So just open each one. So these 2 from Philip Kennelly from the math department, and the PDF files are all from an adjunct from the English department, Rafael Logorno. And then for Alana Collis, we have Amy Lewis and Dot French. So if you click on each one of them, you can download and even save it on your computer so you can read them at least whenever you want. So that's where you find. So just to recap, go to your Outlook email and then go to OneDrive, and then you will see these list of shared libraries. I have uploaded it on Factal Advisory Board as well as the Factal shared library. Hope it'll be clear, and see you guys on Monday around noon. I will send a Zoom invite. Bye.